Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting materials and laying out the pattern. You want cardstock 200-300 GSM so the frame stays rigid. Once you have a printed template, align it to the monitor edges and mark cut lines precisely. Use a ruler and pencil for control. Make tabs and slots operative now. This saves rework later. Cut with a craft knife on a mat, pausing to check fit as you go so adjustments are minimal. Now you assemble the structural pieces into the monitor batch frame. You score fold lines first to make neat corners, then fold and lock tabs into slots, using glue sparingly to avoid warping. Make sure to leave about 1/8 inch ventilation paths to prevent heat buildup if electronics are present. Next, attach a diffuser sheet, tracing paper or vellum, so the screen reflection is softened. This improves contrast and maintains ledge. Finish by fitting the paper batch onto the monitor and securing it temporarily with low-tack tape. You should test readability at several viewing angles and light levels. Make small spacing adjustments with paper shims to optimize the diffuser distance. If you notice glare, slightly increase the diffuser gap. If edges buckle, rescore the folds and add thin reinforcement strips to each corner. Finally, inspect ventilation and remove if any part touches hot areas. This prevents deformation and keeps the assembly stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.